Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV. The Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV foldable drone is a versatile and user-friendly quadcopter designed for beginners and kids. It features a 1080p HD camera, allowing for clear and detailed aerial footage and photos, ideal for casual photography and videography. The FPV, first-person view, feature enables real-time video streaming directly to your smartphone, providing an immersive flying experience. This drone is highly portable due to its foldable design, making it easy to store and carry. It comes with a carrying case, adding extra convenience for transport. The drone is equipped with voice and gesture control, allowing users to operate it hands-free with simple commands, making it especially accessible for younger or novice drone enthusiasts. The optical flow positioning system helps maintain stable flight by accurately detecting the ground below, ensuring smooth and steady hovering. This feature is especially beneficial for beginners, as it reduces the chances of losing control. Additionally, the drone offers 360 degrees flips, adding an element of fun and excitement to the flying experience. For easy takeoff and landing, the drone is equipped with a one-key takeoff/land function, simplifying the process for users. The Waypoint Fly feature enables the drone to fly along a pre-programmed path, offering more advanced flying capabilities for those who want to explore more dynamic maneuvers. Overall, this drone is an excellent choice for beginners and kids, providing a balance of ease of use, fun features, and practical functionality. It's a great option for those looking to start flying drones without a steep learning curve while enjoying features typically found in more advanced models. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with Camera is a compact and feature-rich drone designed for both beginners and experienced users, suitable for adults and kids alike. It comes with a 1080p HD camera that offers clear and detailed aerial photos and videos, providing an excellent FPV, first-person view, experience. The camera is equipped with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, allowing users to change the angle of capture for more versatile shots. The drone is designed with stable altitude hold technology, which ensures steady hovering at a fixed height, making it easier for beginners to control and capture smooth footage. The gravity control feature further enhances ease of use, enabling users to control the drone by tilting their smartphone, providing a more intuitive flying experience. With the trajectory flight feature, users can draw a flight path on their smartphone, and the drone will follow it, adding an extra layer of fun and control for more advanced maneuvers. The drone also features one-key takeoff/land, allowing for hassle-free launch and landing at the push of a button. For extended flight time, the mini drone comes with 2 batteries, doubling the fun and allowing for longer flying sessions. The foldable design makes the drone highly portable and easy to store or carry on the go. This mini drone is ideal for those looking for a user-friendly, feature-packed drone for casual flying, photography, or video recording. Its combination of stable flight features, adjustable camera, and intuitive controls makes it a great option for both beginners and more experienced drone enthusiasts. Number 3. Drone with Camera. The Drone with Camera is a 2K HD FPV drone designed for both beginners and kids, offering a range of user-friendly features and high-quality performance. The drone is equipped with a brushless motor, providing more powerful and efficient flight compared to traditional motors, leading to longer battery life and quieter operation. It features a 2K HD camera that delivers sharp, clear images and videos, offering a great FPV, first-person view, experience. The camera is ideal for capturing high-definition footage while flying. The altitude hold function ensures stable hovering at a fixed height, making it easier to control the drone and capture smooth footage, even for beginners. A standout feature of the drone is its gesture selfie mode, allowing users to take photos or videos by simply making a hand gesture, making it easy to capture moments without needing a controller. Additionally, the drone has one key takeoff/landing, which simplifies the flying experience by allowing users to launch or land the drone with a single button press. The 3D flip feature provides an exciting way to perform aerial stunts with the drone, adding fun and variety to the flight experience. Waypoint Fly lets users draw a flight path on their smartphone, and the drone will automatically follow the designated route. For longer flight time, the drone comes with 2 batteries, allowing for extended use. Its foldable design makes it highly portable and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel or outdoor adventures. This drone is an excellent choice for those seeking an affordable, easy-to-use, and feature-packed flying experience, with a focus on both fun and functionality for beginners and younger users. Number 4. Drone with Camera. The drone with 1080p camera is an ideal choice for beginners and kids, offering a fun and user-friendly flying experience. This foldable quadcopter is compact and easy to transport, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The drone features a 1080p camera, providing clear, high-definition footage for capturing aerial views and videos, great for both fun and creative photography. One of the key highlights of this drone is its voice control feature, allowing users to control the drone using voice commands, adding a hands-free and interactive element to the flight. Additionally, the gesture selfie mode lets users take photos or videos by simply making a hand gesture, making it easy to capture shots without needing to handle the controller. The altitude hold function ensures stable flight, helping the drone hover at a consistent height for smooth and steady control. This feature is especially useful for beginners who are still mastering drone control. The one-key start makes taking off and landing effortless with the press of a button, reducing complexity for new pilots. For added excitement, the drone includes 3D flip capabilities, allowing users to perform fun aerial stunts during flight. It comes with 2 batteries, offering extended playtime for longer flying sessions without frequent recharges. Designed as a toy for both boys and girls, this drone is an excellent entry-level option for young aspiring pilots, combining entertainment with easy-to-use features. It is a great choice for gifting or casual outdoor fun, with a focus on safety, convenience, and enjoyable flying experiences for all ages. Number 5. Mini Drone with Camera. The mini drone with camera is a versatile and fun option for both beginners and adults, offering a range of user-friendly features for an enjoyable flying experience. This 1080p HD FPV foldable drone provides clear, high-definition video and photos, allowing users to capture stunning aerial views with ease. The 90 degrees adjustable lens gives you the flexibility to change the camera angle for different perspectives, enhancing your photography options. This drone is designed with convenience in mind. It comes with a carrying case for easy storage and portability, making it simple to take it on the go. The 2 included batteries offer extended flight time, allowing for longer sessions without the need for constant recharging, making it perfect for outdoor fun. For easy handling, the drone features one key takeoff/land, allowing you to start or end a flight with just a press of a button. The altitude hold function ensures stable flight, helping to maintain a steady hover at a consistent height, perfect for beginners still getting the hang of drone control. The drone is also equipped with 360 degrees flip capabilities, allowing you to perform exciting aerial stunts and tricks. These features make the drone not only easy to operate but also a lot of fun, whether you're using it for casual flights or impressing friends with some acrobatics. This mini drone with camera is an excellent choice as a toy gift for both adults and beginners, offering a balance of simplicity, fun features, and great image quality, making it perfect for capturing moments and exploring the skies.